Hey guys, it's Justine, and today we're going to be talking about none other than the iPhone 15. We are nearing September every single day, if you haven't realized how the dates work. It's going to be here before we know it. So obviously, as we get closer to the release date, we have more rumors and we have some more updates. The latest thing that I've seen here, 9to5Mac has this exclusive. Of course, Ian, who does all of their incredible 3D renderings, this is one of his articles on here, and these look so good. So we've got the iPhone 15 Pro design reveals new buttons, giant camera bump, colors, and more. So take a look at this first little render here. Look at that. Freaking fantastic. Fresh. God, the white phone looks so good. I actually forgot what phone I have. I have the silver. So they're saying that all of this information has been checked by multiple sources. So this, so far, is the best look at what the iPhone 15 is going to look like. And, well, looks pretty similar to the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 12. But the biggest change is those camera bumps. Every single year, those camera bumps get bigger, which means we'll have increased camera quality. So I'm so here for it. Looks like we'll have a titanium frame. It says, while subtle, the rounded edges should be a noticeable upgrade in hand, and many users have complained about the current iPhone's sharp edges. I never complained about them. I have a freaking case on it. So like, I never actually see my phone. So it doesn't really faze me at all. I don't even see my phone. I don't even know what it looks like. So in addition to the new titanium frame, Apple is once again increasing the size of the cameras on the iPhone 15 Pro, saying it's important to note that in the CAD files, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a smaller camera protrusion. This could be due to the periscope camera, which has been rumored to come this year exclusively to the Pro Max model. That's kind of interesting because if they are able to get that periscope camera, that'll give us a much more increased telephoto lens, but in a smaller package. So I'm excited about that. Rumors say the iPhone 15 Pro will feature an all-new sensor technology that will capture more light and reduce overexposure and underexposure in certain settings. So here's some more photos, like just take a look at that. Very pretty, very pretty. Looks the same. If I saw this in front of me, I probably wouldn't even know it was an iPhone 15. I'd say, yeah, that looks just like the last one. Although that titanium frame though, okay, that's dirty. That's gross. The titanium frame will probably be a little bit better for those who don't have cases on their phone. USB-C! This has been something that we have been talking about for years and years. I thought USB-C was gonna be here at least 2 or 3 years ago, but here we are, iPhone 15, and it's officially going to happen because legally they're gonna have to. And I'm not complaining about that. I do think Lightning will still be in circulation for many years to come, mostly because so many people have older iPhones, so don't worry. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. This is something else that is kind of interesting, haptic volume and mute buttons. They're gonna get rid of the mute button and turn it into an action button, and it's gonna be just a haptic press. It will be interesting to see how that actually plays out, especially with iPhone cases. Will this hinder the ability to actually feel the haptic feedback? I don't know. We'll have to wait and find out. Apple will continue shrinking the bezels this year with the iPhone 15 Pro's bezels measuring at a mere 1.55 millimeters. You guys can see here that the front and the back glass, it has a subtle curvature of the edges. This is gonna be kind of like the Apple Watch, like it's kind of curves in. Obviously not the Apple Watch Ultra because it is flat, but all of the previous Apple Watches have that kind of concaved, smooth, rounded edges. And here's the iPhone 15's new color. It's red, it's kind of like a crimson, a dark red. I don't really like the color red. I know in the past there's been a ton of color leaks and sometimes they're not quite on point. The one thing that I do hope they actually do have is this iPhone 15 hot pink. Like, look at this thing. Is it not freaking beautiful? I just wish so much that that would be in the iPhone 15 Pros. It's like a dream come true. Well, it hasn't come true yet. It would be a dream come true. But for now, just wishful thinking. The iPhone 15 Pro measures 70.46 millimeters by 146.47 millimeters with a thickness of 8.24, while the iPhone 14 Pro is slightly larger at 71.5 by 147.46 with a thickness of 7.84. Math. And there it is, my friends, the iPhone 15. I look forward to seeing what you guys think. Feel free to leave me some comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!